thank you so much for joining us today for our training. My name is Felecia McCants and I am your money coach. So I'm sure you're here today for our training to find out what to do when you realize you can't pay all of your bills on time. This is a very stressful situation to be in, and it can be very overwhelming. So I wanted to give you some tips. But first, if you are new here, please like this video, subscribe, share it with your friends if you find it helpful. Please, 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 because this is information that everyone out here needs to know because we aren't taught. So like I said, my name is Felecia McCants and I am a financial coach. I help motivated women create a step-by-step custom money roadmap to fast-track their goals without the overwhelm or the sacrifices that make you feel like a failure. So like I said, our video today is on what to do when you can't pay your bills on time. And this is a very overwhelming situation to be in, but hey, life happens, right? And things don't always go as planned. So what do you do when you can't pay your bills on time? Well, the first thing that I recommend you do is to take a breath, right? This is such an overwhelming situation to be in, and if you're not careful, you can get so overwhelmed that you get nothing done. So, take a breath, realize that things happen, but this is an obstacle that you can overcome. So after you take your breath, the next thing that you should do is what I call your who, what, and when. You should know who you owe, when you owe it, and how much, right? So you need to make a list of all your obligations so that you have a starting point to make a plan. So you definitely need to get your who you owe, what you owe, and when you owe it together. After you do that, you need to empower yourself with more information, right? So that means that you need to know the consequences of your actions, of your inactions. And what that means is you need to know the consequences of paying a bill on time, paying it late, or not paying it at all. You need to know what is going to happen. Are they going to result in more late fees? Are you going to damage your credit? Empower yourself with information so that you can make good decisions, right? And the next thing that I would recommend you do is you get over the fear, right? Because you're going to have to make some phone calls. You're going to have to make some decisions. And if you're not used to doing that, it can be very scary. But I promise you, the people on the other end, they are just like you. They don't take it personally. They don't know you personally. They aren't really making judgments about who you are in your situation. And even if they are, they don't know you. So that's not even a consideration, all right? So what do you do if you can't pay your bills on time? First, take a breath. Relax yourself, open your mind, and give yourself some space because you're going to need to make some decisions. Know your who you owe, your what you owe, and when you owe it, right? Empower yourself with information. Make sure that you know the consequences of your actions. So if you're going to pay your bill late or you're going to not pay it, what are the consequences of that? That's going to help you make a better decision. And next, get over the fear. There's so much fear and so much shame in contacting your creditors and saying, hey, I can't pay this bill, or what can you do for me? And it is not necessarily. These people are just like you. It's not necessary. They don't know you in your real life. So you don't really need to worry about how they feel about the situation. Your main goal is to make sure that you handle your business. And they are there, and that's their job, to help you do that and to let you know what options are available. So if you can't pay your bills on time this month, I hope this information helped. I hope that you're able to share this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon with our next training video. Bye, guys.